Hi, I am Lakshman. I make these videos for All India Medical Entrance Exam aspirants. In first video, we will discuss about digestive system. The living organisms have different types of systems in their body, that are digestive system, respiration system, reproduction system, and circulation system. Apart from these systems, the digestive system also play very important role in the survival of living organisms. If I want to teach, I require energy. This energy comes from the food. We can take food through our digestive system. The energy which used by the organisms comes from the oxidation of food molecules. Hence, the digestion system or the digestive system is used for the production of energy. Now we will see about digestive system of human beings. Human beings digestive system. Before knowing about the human being digestive system, we will see different types of organisms and their nutrition. Depending upon the nutritional requirement, the organisms are divided into different types. Depending upon nutritional requirement, the organisms are divided into different types, that are autotrophs and heterotrophs. Autotrophs and heterotrophs. Autotrophs means the organisms which can synthesize its own food is called autotrophs. Example, plants. The organisms which can synthesize their own food is called autotrophs. Example, plants. Next, heterotrophs. Heterotrophs, the organisms which cannot synthesize its own food, is called heterotrophs. Example, humans. All animals are heterotrophs. Autotrophs again divided into two types based on energy requirement, that are photoautotrophs, chemoautotrophs. Photoautotrophs can convert for the sun energy into the chemical energy, the light energy into the chemical energy. Example, plants, euglena, wax. These are the example for autotrophs. These are the example for photoautotrophs. Already I told that autotrophs are divided into two types, photoautotrophs and chemoautotrophs. Photoautotrophs can convert photon energy or sun energy into the chemical energy. Example, plants, wax, euglena. These are the example for photoautotrophs. Next, chemoautotrophs. Chemoautotrophs, the organisms which can get energy from the oxidation of the non-carbon metals is called the chemoautotrophs. Example, iron bacteria, sulfur bacteria, etc. These are the different types of autotrophs. And next we will see about heterotrophs. Heterotrophs are the organisms which cannot synthesize their own food. The heterotrophs again divided into different types. Example, herbivores. The organisms which can take only plant material is called herbivores. Next, carnivores. The organisms which can take only another organisms is called another organisms, means herbivores, and another carnivores is called carnivores. Next, omnivores. The organisms which can act both herbivores and carnivores is called omnivores. Example, human beings. Human beings can take both plant material and animal material as their food. Hence, we can take human beings as the example for the omnivores. These are the different types of organisms classified based on the nutritional requirement. Now we will see about the digestive system of human beings. Human digestive system. The digestive system of human beings mainly contain two parts: digestive tract and digestive glands. Digestive tract also called the gastrointestinal tract. The digestive system of human beings mainly contain digestive tract and digestive glands. Digestive tract. First of all, we will discuss about digestive tract. The digestive tract starts from mouth to buccal cavity to the pharynx to esophagus to stomach to small intestine to large intestine to anus. Okay, the digestive tract starts from mouth and end with anus. Now we will see the different parts of the digestive tract. Already I told that the digestive tract starts from mouth. This is the mouth. Mouth contains lips or labia. This mouth leads to an buccal cavity. This is the buccal cavity. The buccal cavity contains teeth, tongue, and a palate. Okay, this is the palate. Palate is divided into two types. This is the palate. Palate is divided into two types: hard palate and soft palate. This is the hard palate, this is the soft palate. Palate can differentiate nasal cavity with the buccal cavity. We can take food and we can breathe simultaneously due to the palate. Palate is present in between nasal cavity and the buccal cavity. This is the buccal cavity, and above the buccal cavity we can see the nasal cavity or nasal chamber. Next, the buccal cavity has teeth. Teeth. The hardest material of body is enamel. Enamel also the part of teeth. If you see the structure of teeth, this is the common structure of teeth. The teeth mainly contain, or the tooth mainly contain three parts: crown, neck, root. The tooth mainly contain the three parts: crown, neck, root. Okay. And the crown has different parts, neck has different parts, and root has different parts. But the main parts of the tooth is crown, neck, root. The main substance of the tooth is dentine. This is the dentine. Dentine is the abundant material in tooth. This dentine comes from the mesoderm. Okay, mesoderm. The tooth are the ectomesodermal in origin. Dentine comes from mesoderm, and the dentine is surrounded by the enamel. Enamel comes from the ectoderm. Hence, the tooth are the ectomesodermal in origin. This is the dentine, this is the enamel. Enamel is the hardest part of our body. Next, the tooth also has the pulp cavity. This pulp cavity is contain nerves and blood vessels. Nerves and blood vessels. The tooth are different types based on the pulp cavity, opening or closing of pulp cavity. But human beings has a closed pulp cavity. The human beings pulp cavity only has blood vessels and nerves. But few organisms have open pulp cavity. Example, elephant. Okay, due to the open pulp cavity, the tooth of the elephants will increase day by day process. The tooth of the elephants are the modified incisors. Modified upper jaw incisors are converted into tusks in elephant. If you see wild boar or wild pig also has tusks. These are the modified incisors. Modified incisors. This is the different parts of the tooth. The tooth attached to the jaw bone with the cementum. Attached with the jaw bone with the cementum. These are the different parts of the tooth: crown, neck, root. Next, types of tooth. Human beings mainly has four types of tooth, that are the incisors, canines, premolars and molars. If you see the dental formula of human beings, the dental formula will consider for half jaw. Okay, if you see the dental formula of human beings is 2 1 2 3 by 2 1 2 3. equal to 32. Adult human beings has 32 tooth. 32 teeth. 2 incisors, 2 canines, 2 premolars, 3 molars. The last molar grows at the age 21 years. Hence, this is called wisdom teeth. It is the last molar. Last molar grow at the age 21 years. This last molar tooth is called wisdom tooth. If you see the dental formula of the children, okay, human beings has 2 types of teeth: milk teeth and adult teeth. Adult teeth are 32 and milk teeth are 20. If you see the milk teeth of human beings, the formula of the milk teeth of human beings is 2102 divided by 2102 equal to 20. These are the milk teeth of the human beings. Milk teeth also called deciduous teeth. Deciduous teeth. This is the buccal cavity, teeth of and palate of human beings. Now we will see about tongue. This is the tongue. This is the tongue of human beings. The tongue of human beings has papillae. Papillae are buds. Okay, these papillae are 4 types. Fungiform, filiform, circumvallate, and foliate. The tongue of human beings has 4 types of papillae. The tongue that are fungiform, filiform, circumvallate and foliate. Fungiform, you can see are the tips of the tongue. Filiform, you can see are the filiform papillae, you can see are the surface of tongue. And circumvallate, we can see are the posterior region of tongue, and foliate you can see are the edges of tongue. These are the 4 types of papillae present in the surface of tongue. These papillae has taste buds. These taste buds are responsible for the sensation of taste. This is about the tongue. Next. Next part of the digestive tract of human beings is the pharynx. This is the pharynx. Pharynx is again divided into 3 parts: nasopharynx, oropharynx, laryngopharynx. Nasopharynx, oropharynx, laryngopharynx. Nasopharynx. present at the nasal cavity, oropharynx and laryngopharynx, trachea and the food pipe mixed at the laryngopharynx. Laryngopharynx. Next part of the digestive tract is the epiglottis. Here we can see epiglottis. Epiglottis is the flap-like structure present at the surface of larynx. Due to the epiglottis act as gateway in between the food pipe or digestive tract and the trachea. Trachea closed when we will take food and trachea open when we will take breath. Hence, the epiglottis play important role in between the digestive tract and the respiratory tract. Next part of the digestive system or next part of the digestive tract is the esophagus. This is the esophagus. The esophagus is thin long tube. Okay. This is the first part of the digestive system of human beings. We will see the remaining topics in next parts. Thank you.